high-rise living for those who can afford it. These are technologically advanced, eco-friendly structures. But does it really make sense to design huge wind turbines into city centre buildings? The Bahrain World Trade Center, which opened in 2008, is said to have started the trend. It claims to be the world's first skyscraper to incorporate commercial-scale turbines.
We set out to produce an energy-efficient building which was using renewable technologies. We wanted to achieve about 10 to 15% of the building's energy from the turbines, and that's actually what it's currently delivering.
Now a number of new developments in London have followed suit. The Strata Tower lies a couple of miles south of the city. Its 3 huge turbines were designed to power 8% of its electricity, but reports suggest they rarely turn.
Well, London has some of the most prestigious commercial buildings in the world, and increasingly...
John Mussett helps assess the sustainability of projects. He says wind power can make sense, but there's simpler ways of going green.
There is a risk that some people will see these external features very much as eco-bling, as something that has been stuck on as an afterthought just to make a statement and is not making a meaningful contribution to energy and carbon reduction. And that's why we all need to have confidence that the industry, that people involved in designing and developing buildings are first and foremost looking at energy efficiency.
Eco-bling or not, nearby the UK's largest solely residential skyscraper is nearing completion, and once again wind is being used to generate power. We asked the developers of this tower to explain the rationale behind putting such a big turbine right at the top, but they declined to comment. But the makers of the turbine say that it will operate whatever way the wind blows, that it's virtually silent and vibration-free. At London's South Bank University, the next generation of architects and engineers are learning how to make buildings green. Wind turbines are not top of the list.
It might make some sense in some places. Certainly the one on the top where the wind can blow from all directions is possibly better than one where the wind has to blow from one direction.
Critics are divided on the architectural merits of incorporating turbines. Some question if they pay their way. So for now, these structures look likely to remain iconic one-off statements rather than becoming the norm.